This is a guide on replacing a screen on the Lenovo IdeaPad SLIM 3, model number 15ABR8. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. The first step is to remove the bezel. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the LCD from the inner edge. Move it along the left and the top sides. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the back cover. Move it along the perimeter. Open the laptop fully and insert a plastic pick between the hinge cover and the bezel. Move the pick along the bottom edge. Turn the laptop sideways and using a plastic pick, release the bezel from the back. Using fingers, release the bezel at the bottom of the screen. Put the hinge cover aside. The bezel is still held in place with 3 Phillips screws. Remove the screws. Put the bezel aside. The screen is held in place with 2 adhesive strips on the sides. Using tweezers, pick up a loose tab in the top left corner and pull it out. Pull out the adhesive strip on the right side. In our case, the adhesive strip came off partially, so we're going to use a heat gun to warm up the glue under the back cover. Make sure that the back cover is warm but not burning. Insert a plastic pick between the screen and the back cover. Using tweezers, pick the remaining adhesive strip and pull it out. Place the screen on the keyboard. Carefully pull out the little webcam cable out of its guide. Peel off the silver tape securing the video connector. Using a plastic pick, open the connector securing bracket. Using both hands, gently pull out the video cable. Discard the broken screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the new screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Turn the laptop off and place the screen back on the keyboard. Using a plastic pick and fingers, place the little webcam cable into its guide. We will be using double-sided adhesive strips to secure the screen to the back cover. Use alcohol and a piece of cloth to clean the sides of the new screen. Attach 2 strips of the adhesive and remove the protective film. Lift the screen up and align it with the back cover. Apply some pressure on the sides. Remove the LCD protective film. Make sure that the video cable is in the right position. Replace the bezel. Replace the 3 Phillips screws at the bottom of the bezel. Go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Replace the hinge cover. Turn the laptop sideways and make sure that the bezel and the hinge cover is snapped in the bottom edge. Use a plastic pick to make sure that the corners of the bezel are also in place. Turn the laptop on and we're done.